I'm having live streams now. It's not working. The shader is working. All right, what is up, guys? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Those on the
Yeah,
Zoom,
bro.
are we good?
Yeah.
Those on the live streams, are we good? 1, 2. All right, so again today, my camera will be down there, so you'll be seeing me here. Okay, you will see me here. All right, so today is NFP. Definitely, this week I didn't pay attention to news. Yesterday there were a lot of GBP news. I didn't pay attention to them. I didn't even look at them in the first place. I traded with technicals all through this week, and it cost me a lot not doing my normal things, my normal stuff. But it's sometimes fine. Sometimes we learn again, we relearn, and um, we remind ourselves about. All right, so let's get straight to the chat. Today is Friday NFP. We have the non-farm payroll, NFP. For new traders that are not used to this market, right? NFP is a news released by the US every first month, every first Friday of every month. So every first Friday of every month, you're going to be seeing what we all call the NFP, and it's just going to be a stats or a report of employment rates. How many jobs has US done? Very, very, very simple. So it's just going to be a report, and we are going to trade the report. If the report is positive, we are going to be looking for the opposite direction. If the report is negative, we are going to be looking for what the inverse opposite direction. That's how to trade it, because sometimes markets will give you a fake out before moving to the real direction, or something like there's a fake out, a down before it pumps, right? So that happens with NFP. The last NFP we had was somewhere December, which was really, really, really Great. I didn't trade NFP January, but I'm back trading NFP January. So if you just join us, welcome, 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 welcome. This week I haven't really traded well. Personally, I don't know about you guys, but personally, I haven't really traded well this week. So we'll see what happens today. Let's go straight to the chat. But before we go straight to the chat, let me reintroduce myself. So, as usual, we come here. This week, I haven't done any live stream. I think I did only one stream in the during Monday. I haven't done any live stream again this whole week. Elvis, where are you? That's me over there. That's me over there. Check your Zoom chat. Check it. Check your screen. So that's me over there. Yep. I hope everyone can see me. Great. So as usual, when we come here, we have 200 current viewers now. We want to also make sure it balances with the likes, balances with the viewers. So we have 213 viewers. Let's try 10 this to 213. Let's try and 10 this also to 200 at least. The likes to 200. And let me know where you are coming from. Let me know where you're also coming from. I missed live session. Yes, this week I haven't made any live session. I was dealing with a lot of stuff, so I had to focus on them. I don't know if you guys knew I was writing an exam, but still trading. All right, India, Germany, Ghana, Niger, Orange, my bro, what's up? Mary, Germany. Mary is always here. Mary, how are you? Selassie, Ghana. Okay, so you have Ghana, Nigeria, India, Germany in the house. Let's turn this to 200 likes. If you just join, like. If you've already joined, please do like. Let's get started. NFP in 40 minutes. NFP in 40 minutes. So let's see how that goes. So today is 4th February 2022. Today we are going to trade just Forex and stocks. We are not going to trade synthetics and crypto today. We are just going to trade Forex and stocks. And we trade live every year. Live from Mondays to Fridays, every 1:30 to 50:30. But I said that I'm trading slightly earlier because the news is going to be released very, very early. The news is going to be released very, very early. So we are trying to trade towards the news. The news is going to be released 1:30 GMT. All right. So we try to make setups 12:30 ahead of the news. So this live streams is always technical and fundamental analysis. I don't do anything more. Just technical and fundamental analysis. You get to know how I pick my trades, and also get to also have some signals. I'm also going to be giving signals, and I'll only trade New York session. This week I violated those rules. I went to trade some bits of London sessions, and I got clapped in both. All trades that I took London sessions didn't go well. That means I need to stick to my New York session. So you can like, yes, the like you there, you must like, is a must. For the like is a must, you must like. You can comment, and you can also share my YouTube to other people to also see. Share the link. Ask questions, share ideas or suggestions in the comment section. Have fun as you learn. No violations. Don't fight. Don't insult anyone here. We are one, and we are just here to make money. That's all. So follow me on all socials. Elvis Justice Official _ that's my Instagram, and my Twitter, Man of Serendipity, that's my Twitter. Recommended broker. If you need a broker to trade with, there's Eagle FX here, and the link to synthetic. Those of you who want to trade synthetics, step index, VIX, and all those stuff, there's a link. And join my free Telegram community using this link. And the most important part of this is I'm not a financial advisor. All content I provide here is strictly for educational purposes, and I'm not promising anyone guaranteed money. Trade at your own risk. Apply proper risk management. Don't over leverage, right? Don't over leverage. Any trade that is going to come here, don't over leverage. All right, so I think that would be that for this. That would be that for this. Wow, still 150 likes. So let's send this to 200 likes. We are 230. Let's send this to 200 likes before we start something. NFP in 40 minutes. So we have a lot of time to make 9 setups and take setups. All right, 166. Let's turn it to 200. Let's quickly do it. We have a lot to do today. Let's take it to 200. What about FTMO? Yes, we are going to trade FTMO. I'm going to give FTMO lot sizes here. Emmanuel, how are you? The two Emmanuels, one from UK, one from Ukraine. How are you? We've not had a solid
Uh,
week so far.
Good on you.
Precious, how are you? Emmanuel, how are you? Chidi, how are you? Uma,
50-50.
what's good? But
We are all good.
All good, bro. How are
right,
you?
I'm very, very fine. I started this week on a bad note. On a good note, and Tuesday, some fucked up shits. I'm still here. So, what trade are we going to do? Buy or sell on what pair? Hey, we don't just do buy or sell. We all agree. We make analysis together. We all agree before taking a trade. So, guys, 18 minutes. 18 likes more than we start. Let's just do this. You just join, just like. You just join, just like. Very simple. Quickly, let's do this. 183, 17 more. 192, great. Keep liking. 200 and we start. 200 likes and we start. Rafael Martinez, what's up? My brother from Bogota. All right, so 200 likes reached. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We can now start something up. I'm going to make analysis on 3 pairs, right? I'm going to make analysis on 3 pairs. I'll start with gold. I'll be looking to trade gold today. Gold on the 1 hour time frame seems to be playing in a wedge. You know, it's playing in a wedge. I believe gold should push up to this whole level, to 1822. We can maybe catch 100 pip. I think 100 pips. We can raise 50 for 100 if that's possible, because I think gold should be buying today. I know most people are looking for sells today, but I really think gold should buy today. Not with any news condition, but the sales are already done. We had some nice rejection here to send the price up. Price consolidated a bit and broke out of the consolidation level. I can only see something like a breakout and a retest before the actual move happens, or I can only see something like price would continue to flow up or push up. Right, so there's a wedge, there's a channel. Most people would say a channel. An uptrend, you're looking for buying opportunities. Price went for a higher low. Right, price went for a higher high. Price went for a higher low. Price went for a higher high, a higher low. What are we going to expect from the markets? If things should go on well, that should be a higher high, right? So yes, I'm expecting a higher high on gold, and I'll be risking. For NFP, we will take this trade 10 minutes to NFP. For some reasons, we'll take this trade 10 minutes into NFP, because I think there could be also a breakout, a retest to this level, you know, or to this whole zone before price goes back up. Something like that. That algorithm could also play out. So let's just take a chill on that and take that with on the on in the due time. We missed the signal Euro JPY. We missed it, 159 pips. That was what I wanted to trade yesterday, but then I didn't take any trades, so it is what it is. Um, we are also going to talk about US 30 Nasdaq. US 30 Nasdaq also, this same algorithm playing out here, right? Price, when price got here, had some rejections, right? Price got here, has some rejections. Trend is also a downtrend, so that means you are looking for what opportunities? You are looking for selling opportunities. So you are looking for selling opportunities to the next lower highs, right? So price has created already a lower high, a lower low, right? A lower high. What are we expecting from the market? A lower, yes, a lower low here, right? Before maybe we get another rate test, price will continue before a send off or a send out of the whole zone, right? So I'm still bearish on Nasdaq, though I'm not also taking any trade now. I'll be taking all my trades 10 minutes to NFP, right? I'll be taking my trades, all my trades 10 minutes to NFP. But if you are swinging on the signal that I posted on the Telegram signal page, if you're on my community, you should be in profit now, because you're already in profit. Though trade is just, coming for, like I always say, price will never come to hit your TP. Like you don't expect price to always come hit your TP just like that. Price needs to come up, go down, come up, go down, consolidate sometimes, go back to entry. It has to stress you out. There's nothing like making easy money here. So some people always want to see profits, especially scalpers, when they are scalping and they take, let's say, plus 50, and they see some little rate of minus 150, they get frightened up, and they want to close, or they get scared, or even have heart attacks. But then, it is what it is. So I'm still bearish on Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq is still playing, it's just still giving us more opportunities to take a sell. That's what I think, right? So my TP is somewhere 14,400, even 14,200 is okay. Even to this whole level is okay. 14,300, but 14,400 would be an ideal TP for this whole market. All right, let's talk about US 30. US 30, same algorithm playing out here, same price algorithm. Price respected this trend line. Price respected this trend line. Price also respected this trend line. I think we are going to see US 30 fall to 34,400. If not for this NFP, next week is very, very possible. 34,400 on US 30. We still have price to push down. And like I said always, and I will always say this, don't expect price to go in a straight pattern. You're in profits. We took this sales when we took this sales 35, was it 300, 35 300 or something, right? That was my initial entry, and price is now at 35,040. That means I'm in profit 260 points. So why would I be bothered when price is always coming back to, like I said, price will never, trades would never get to your TP original. Like it will never come to your TP straight, from here, and you expect a 700 points drop to the original TP. No, it has to stress you up a bit, right? It has to make you a man. To get money, you have to be a man, So it comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. I'm not really surprised for this up. It should even go up somewhere here before a rejection to the downside again here, then it goes up. It has to give you that, for you to suffer, for you to suffer. So US 30, still bearish too on US 30. I think that's my initial target, right? I think there could be a retest to this whole level before price goes down again, or price could just reject also here. So my target on US 30 should be, let me just write it. So if targets, we will take the trade itself later. 10 minutes to NFP. So if this is your first time trading NFP, this should be a great experience for you. This should be a very, very great experience for you. That's 400. Those are on my FTMO challenge. Right, that's our target is set for 800 for those on my FTMO page. So let me just put it for 800 here, and we're expecting 500 points move, but currently we are expecting 200 points move, currently 250 points move. So yes, sales on US30 won't be bad. Sales on US30 won't be bad. Now you can take some sales on US30. Apply proper risk management. If your account is not big, don't trade at all. If your account is not big, don't take US30. There's going to be a signal for you. Same as Nasdaq. My target is 14,400. Same on Nasdaq. For NFP, my target is 14,400. Yes, Andrine Majoro says patience game. Yes, it's all about patience. When people see reds in their account, they begin to be frightened. Especially yesterday, with the news. I'm going to explain something to you guys, right? Especially with what happened with the news yesterday, right? Now, let's say I took a Nasdaq trade, right? Initially, the Nasdaq trade, the entry was somewhere 14. I posted it on VIP on all platforms, so if you didn't get it, forget about it. Right, so this was our entries, 14,750. Right, let's say you are starting, this was your initial entry, and the trade is currently, or the price is currently at 14,630. Right, let's do some little, those on the Zoom, I want you to be talking. Let's do some little deductions and subtractions. What should be, how many profits, pips or points in profit should you be now?
It's
120.
120,
120 points. So
Yeah.
why are people losing, right, in this trade?
Because they are not managing the money. That is a problem.
One. Now let's talk about this. Now, yesterday something happened. This was the entry. Trade went to somewhere 14,400. That was like 350. Sorry, 350. I think 300 points. That was the profit that Nasdaq went to. And within a breach of time, a news got released, and Nasdaq went from what? Profits to back to entry. Even went from to 14,800 even to minus 50 points loss. Right now, if you started with, let's say, 0.01, I'm talking about standard lot size on, let's say, Eagle FS, you should have been in, let's say, and you were catching 300 points, you should have been in $300 profit, right? Should be in $300 profit. Why is it that if you're in 300 profit and trade gets back to, let's say, entry with the news, and let's say trade gets back to your entry after the news was, I'm talking about yesterday's trade, with what happened, we were in profit, let's say you were sitting 300 points or $300 profit, and all of a sudden a news gets released, trade bounces back to your entry. What should you be seeing?
Minus 50.
You should be seeing here as minus 50. If you are doing this technically, you should be seeing this as minus 50. That means you've lost what? Your profits, not your capital.
Yeah.
If I'm making sense, you guys should get me.
Yeah.
That means
right.
you should be losing what?
You're making sense.
You are losing your profits, not your capital. If you were using this one lot size, if I told you, let's say, open 0.05, right, per this account, right, and the trade swung into, let's say, $1,000 profit. Let's just say this trade swung into $1,000 profit, and the trade went back to entry. That means you should be losing that $1,000 profit that you made or you couldn't secure, not your capital. If you come back to tell me that I've lost the profits and lost even majority of my capital, that only tells me that you were only applying or adding more positions to the original position. Let's say I told you to open 0.05. Let's say yes, I told you to open 0.05 and you added another 0.05 times 3. That means you are going to lose this profits plus even your capital, because I know it's fun when, let's say, profit trade is going in profits. People are want to add more positions. Everyone is adding more positions. This thing is now clear. The direction is now clear. And the more positions that you add, you get stuck at a point. Let's say you get stuck here, and trade reverses. That means you're going to lose times 3, and you're going to lose your profits, and also going to lose what, your capital. But technically, you should have been in profit. That's why I always, try to plead with people. If you want to be a good trader, one position. If it's two position, two position. Today I was on live with Yao Swinger, and he was telling me something about targets, having a target in the market. If your target is, let's say, making 2,000 a day, you get 2K. Even forget about my TP. That's your target. You are done. If your target loss is 1K a day, or for example, those using FTM or my Forex funds to trade, if they've given you a rule that don't lose on a 10K account, don't lose what, $500 a day, right? That means if you know you are already losing 450, 460, that means you should be what? You should be done for the day. That's your target.
Yeah.
So if you are taking signals, you have to also be very, very smart about it. You also have to use your wisdom, your common sense. Don't always wait for us to come and type something before you follow through. If I tell you that use this lot size, use it. Just that. Because yesterday I was also making $3,000, and the next thing I saw all my $3,000 I saw minus 2,800. And I was cool. I was like, okay, it's fine, because I'm losing back the profit that I made. So I was cool. I was all cool. I didn't even need to stress out or something. But those that were stressing out were those that added more positions. They added 4, 5, 6, thinking
that is not money management.
That's not money management. Thinking that trade has to go in a straight line. And trust me, this is a swing trade. You don't catch. This is 500 points targets. 500, 600 points. That's 6,000 pips. Catching 6,000 pips a day, you don't expect the market to go 6,000 pips in a straight line. I don't know how to explain this, but you don't expect the market to do that for you.
You explained it yesterday, like it's a swing trade, so people must not have taken all the volume on that specific point.
Exactly. The market is not your puppy. I'm your puppy.
Come on. What are you saying, bro?
The market. I got humbled a lot this week that I had to even go. I don't know if you guys saw that video. I had to go walk. I'm like, yo, today I'm not using any ride. I'm not taking any car. Let me just go walk. I haven't walked in like years. But yesterday, with the pressure and everything,
you did walk yesterday in the cold.
I had to go walk. Minus 24. Man, it was crazy.
I see.
It was
People
crazy.
are just saying like they are losing, but you posted it on your Instagram that you lost like over 42,000 euro.
I've in my time of trading, I've lost 47K. In a week. So it's like another bad week if I'm losing 42, almost like my historic, all-time loss. So it's like if I tell you this week is a bad one, mostly I let you guys also know. I also let you guys know trades that I'm also going to take whatsoever you. Whenever I'm winning, I let you guys know. Whenever I'm losing, I let you guys know. So that's it. So sells on Nasdaq, let's take it. Apply proper risk management. US30 sells on US30. Buys on gold. Let's take buys on gold too. Stop loss TP is going to be for buys on gold. TP is going to be. Ask me of your lot size if you need help. Ask me of your lot size.
What should be the lot size on 20K FTMO?
20K FTMO. Okay, I'm coming. So for NFP, I'm bullish on gold. For NFP, I'm bullish on gold. Stop loss. Where would our stop loss be? Yes, sir.
Just a question here.
Yeah.
Are you like saying that your NFP, you're like bearish on the news coming out based on your setups or based on?
I don't really care about the news. I'm just doing a technical analysis. What I see.
Okay. So you don't care about the news at all?
Yes, today I don't care about the news.
All right.
Stop loss 1805. Stop loss 1805. Apply proper risk management. I didn't. This week I've been trading purely technicals. I haven't checked any news. This is one risk. One is to 1.5. One is 1.4. Because it's NFP. We are not trying to scalp. We are not trying to swing. We want to scalp. Okay. Lot size for $100 account, use 0.02. $40,000 account, use 0.05. That's 0.50, depending on your broker. Lot size on a $48 account, use the smallest lot size.
Oh, what should be it at 20K?
Yeah, over 20K FTMO.
NFP, right? For gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
20K, 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 use 0.15. So risk
What
will
about
be
10K?
managed.
What about 10K account?
0.10, the lowest lot size, 0.10. So you would be targeting, let's say, $100, 1%. Like I said, 1% risk for. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for on so US30 sells. US30 sells, gold buys, NAS sells, right? I was also looking at GJ buys. I was also looking for.
I'm in sell for GJ and it's like giving me good profit. So what shall I close it?
Let's see. I'm coming. Let me check it.
And also GBP NZD.
Okay, so yeah, this was my GJ. I think we caught some nice profits on this trade. I posted it on my FTMO VIP. We caught some nice buys to like 85 pips, 80 pips. Wow. And I think yes, a sell looks good. A sell looks good.
My sell is from the top, like it's from 156
But
500.
is NFP actually does the inverse of what you're expecting technically on GJ. You know,
So shall I hold it or just close it in the profit?
profits to break even, trade to break even.
Yeah, I already did it.
All right. So for US30, I'm expecting something like this, maybe to this whole trend line before, a push down. So beware.
Yes, that's very right. Yeah, that can help me.
And GBP NZD.
Pardon?
GBP NZD.
GBP NZ. I'm not trading it I'm not adding it to my list though, but let me check it for you.
I think I posted it in WhatsApp.
I'm not on WhatsApp now. What's your bias?
Sell.
It's bullish. Can see it's respected this, but well, yes. Okay, let's see. Uptrend, right? Lower higher lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, broke the previous highs, lows, another high. Did it break the previous? Yes, it did. So it's still valid for a buy. Okay, but it broke the previous higher low, making it invalid. No, it did not. It did not. So yes, it's still. I think it's still bullish. It should be buying. Maybe scalp sales, or maybe it could be a fake out. Who knows?
Yeah, we.
This is also possible. You know, this also
Yeah,
is possible.
Yeah. Okay.
like much trade. So, but
Yeah. So this is how I put it.
This possible to this whole level. Your stop loss below here. How many pips? But it's NFP. I don't want to take a lot of trades during NFP. 67. Nice. So you can raise just 20 pips on it and take it. All right. So NFP in 14 minutes. Are we going to cry today? We've cried enough. For me, I've cried enough this week. I've shed a lot of tears this week. Papi has shed a lot of tears this week. But I wouldn't be surprised. Like I said, US 30, I wouldn't be surprised if US 30 does this. Right. This is my whole target though, 34,800. But I wouldn't be surprised if US 30 gets here before coming down. So beware. Beware. Especially for those over risking, beware.
Salves. Oh,
Hello,
yes, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes, sir. Initially, you said whatever the results NFP is going to take today, we'll do the opposite. So does that mean that what like you are relying on pad and DAP today, like your strategy or setup, whatever?
I'm not relying on fundamentals today. I'm trying to change my system a bit.
Okay,
This week I
sir.
didn't trade with fundamental analysis. I don't know if that was the reason why I lost a lot. I don't know, but I'm not doing anything with
Because
fundamentals today. I'm just trading with a certain algorithm, institutional candles. So if institutions are trying to dump this shit to 34,400, why would I be caring about fundamentals? Do you get me?
yeah, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
So I'm
do.
just trading with the institutional candles. That's all.
Okay,
And
sir. Thank you for the thank you.
institutions too don't trade with news. They all trade with candles. They don't trade with news. They actually make up the news. That's what you should know. They make up the news. So we only follow the news,
Yeah.
what they've made up.
Hmm. Nice. Okay, sir. Thanks.
You're welcome. All right, so 11 minutes to NFP.
Always, let's check Euro USD.
Euro USD. What about Euro USD? I don't want to add more trades. So this was my Euro USD trade. I was in profit. The next thing, I was good. It was good. I secured some partials. I was in profit somewhere here. The next thing, like this week is a done thing for me. And I didn't secure. I just moved my stop loss to entry, so I was good with whatever happened here. I'm still seeing sales here on Euro USD. I'm still seeing sales because it has reached this whole level, so there could be sales. Let's see. But I'm not taking any trade here. I'm not taking any trade here today. Maybe next week. But this week I've already listed my pairs to you. US 30 targeted for 800. Nasdaq targets 14,400, and gold targets 14.21. Those are the 3 trades that I'm in now. Those on the FTMO page, please, VIP, can you send it to them? I can't go there. I can't go on WhatsApp now. If I go on WhatsApp, a lot of messages will come in. BTC has started a rally. Okay. It has started a rally. Okay, cool. I'm not doing BTC today. I'll do BTC. Hopefully Sunday I'll do a weekly outlook. I would analyze BTC. So this is how gold looks like. Gold looks bearish. Let's see what other traders are looking out for, or we should just focus on ours. US 13 profit. Yalbi, thanks. Okay, Yalbi is here. Gold, he's giving you gold. Yalbi, type US 30 and Nasdaq for them too. Hey, allow him make you finish more. Charlie, the pressure. The pressure. You, the pressure of me. It's too much. But God is alive. God is king. Papi was crying yesterday and people were making fun of me. Fitness hour, if you haven't joined Serendipity, join us and let's learn much. I think there's this Ofuriata, maybe. I don't know. It sounds like someone I know. Eight minutes to NFP. Let's see. Are we going to cry, or we are going to be happy? Get ready. Which chart should we look at?
US 30.
Gold.
Gold or US 30? Which should we look at?
Gold.
I think US 30 is almost hitting its target. 34,800 is somewhere here. So let me just write TP1 so people get to understand it. Gold or US 30, which should we look at?
Gold.
Gold, please.
All right, so let's look at gold. Everyone, eyes on gold. Let's see. Maybe I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, you guys can correct me.
Hi, Elvis. 100K FTMO. What size?
On gold, 100K. If 10K is 0.10, 100K should be somewhere 0.80. You just use 0.70 or something. 0.70 or 0. All right, it's Danny. Yes, USD Zara legend. This guy is too good with USD Zara. The rand, the South African currency. So Danny, what do you think? About gold? Say, will gold go up? I'm not saying gold has to go up, This is my bias. Stop loss 1805, TP 1821. If it doesn't go up, you should know where the stop loss is, and if it is stop loss, you should know I don't control the markets. I've given you what I think about the markets. Yeah. All right. So US 30, won't be surprised, like I said, to see US 30 go here before coming down. Won't be surprised. Is it going to be a happy NFP or a sad one? GG, I'm not sure about the GJ sales because it's going to be too obvious with price coming to retest this trend line. A lot of people will be trading or taking sales. I'll be very smart to close GJ positions. I think a buy should be pounded. The reason why I'm saying a buy should be pounded is I always say this: the obvious is obviously not obvious. So if it's obvious to retest this trend line, there's a lot of volumes, a lot of people opening selling opportunities, and market makers are also doing the opposite of what you're doing. So we should be smart about this. That's how I take my trades these days. That's the system that I've created for myself. Once it's obvious that it has to sell to this trend line, people know that the market is looking for a buy, and that's what happened. So I wouldn't be surprised if GJ buys. But it's best you don't hold any trade at all. Few minutes to NFP. Let's see. Nasdaq. Being a bad boy. Gold. Okay, so let's watch gold. Obini Yim. Oh, I know. Are there no Ghanaians here? Monka Hume. Obini Yim, Wim. I wish I saw your faces. So I see the reactions. Are we going to cry or are we going to I'm going to chill with the big boys tonight, but personally this week has been trash. This week has been trash for me this week. Okay, 2 minutes to NFP. You can see the movement of the market now. Let's see what news is out. Let's refresh. You guys too can be checking for me. Okay, so pending. The news is pending. If this is your first time trading NFP, watch out. Right, watch out. Always use stop losses on all trades. Use stop losses on all trades. Please look at BTC. Hey, at this time. Hey. I can't look at BTC, I beg.
Look at gold.
I'm looking at gold and my balance, my account balance, boss. I'll look at BTC later.
We want to end it with a good note. Let's see.
Yes, let's see.
BTC.
All right, US 30 pumping down, nice. Nasdaq would follow. So let's look at gold. I think the problem with the gold. Gold isn't really performing for me. But we'll let 1 minute to NFP. Let me close my eyes. And you guys will update me. When I see people shouting, I know that it's going on. When I see people, and I'm on my chat now on my phone. I'm on my chat now on my phone. I don't see what you guys are typing. Those on the YouTube. Right, I'm now on my trading. Sorry, my MT5. Whoa, good. Crazy. Did it 8 stop loss? Nope. Okay, we are live. Thank God. We are live. Thank God. Or are we not alive?
Alive.
We are alive. Great. That's why I moved the stop loss to that side. What about Nasdaq? Oh, great. What about US 30?
I think gold's gonna go up.
It has to.
Yeah.
That was a fake out that we needed. Dump and what pump. So that was a fake out that we needed. US 30. Thank you. Thank you. We just need gold to behave. No, please don't hit stop loss. Please go up. Yes. Just 20 pips to stop loss. Crazy. Please don't hit stop loss. Thank you. We are alive. We are alive. Thank God. We are alive.
Yeah, we are alive for
I'm not
now.
even checking Nasdaq anymore. What's happening there?
Both are going good. Both are going good.
Nasdaq, maybe for buys and then later sells.
All right, so Nasdaq sells. Gold is not my
No.
problem. Gold, please don't hit stop loss before going up. Thank you.
Oh damn it.
Don't hit stop loss. Don't. Damn, it's going to hit stop. I'm out of gold. I haven't closed the trade, but I'm not watching it anymore. I'm not watching. Let me come and watch what's giving me money. US 30. Or let's come to gold. Okay, stop loss hit. Okay, stop loss hit on gold. Great.
Good, yes. Come on.
All right, so just if risk management was applied, we shouldn't be losing much. So one down. Let's focus on the rest. US 30 Nasdaq. US 30 130 points to TP. Gold. If gold is now selling, we should be looking for buying opportunities. But let's just leave it for now. Let's focus on US 30. Nice on Nasdaq. Nasdaq doing so well.
The news was positive.
The news is positive.
Yes, it's good. It's very good. The news is positive. Very good. That means you will come in gold New York session. But for now, Nasdaq in nice, beautiful profits. Let's see, 100 points more to target, the original target. Or US 30 should come true. One of these should come true. Let's see. 100 points more, then we are done and out of US 30. Like we are vacated on US 30 for the week. I think it would have given us how many pips? 1,000, right? Those on the FTMO. How many pips would US 30 have given us? Gold has hit stop loss. Wow, yes, it has hit stop loss. Risk was managed, so we're good. Yes, I'll definitely post this loss. Are you posting the loss? Gold has taken us out. Yes, it has. So I'm watching. Whoa, 97 points to to the main target, Nasdaq. Posted this on the live the Telegram page yesterday. That's the signal, and I posted it here too. Told you about it. 89 points more to final TP. We would make 500 solid points from yesterday. 500 solid points. Leave gold. I'm done with gold. If a trade hits your stop loss, you are basically done. US 30 40 points to final TP. For those on the FTMO, 500 solid points. Oh, nice. Nice. if you are not in any trade, you can enter Nasdaq now, right? You can enter Nasdaq now. US30 is done for me. It's a done thing for me. US30 is a done thing for me. So 30 points to TP on US30. Don't forget, you already hit stop loss on gold. So our focus is on Nasdaq and US30. Any questions? Any questions?
Bad guy.
Which one is a bad? Let me check GJ. Yes, I knew GJ was going to buy. I knew it. Definitely, they would do the opposite of what you are doing. I said this before, right?
If you bad guy,
I knew this. No, this has been happening NFPs. They just know that people, whenever you see two trends playing out, so I'm not surprised for the gold trade when they see two trends, playing out like this, and they know that everyone is selling to retest this trend line. Definitely, they are going to, fake you out like this. That's how what happened on gold. Gold was in a channel, right?
yes, sir.
Let's look at gold. Look, gold was in a channel. Look at gold, still selling hard. Gold was in a channel, so everyone was expecting a gold to buy to this level, right? That's what I was thinking. And what happened? They faked it down. Let's cut everyone off. Put a spring before we move up. So that's what happened on gold. It's been happening always and always and always and always. Same thing as GJ, right? I knew this buy was. I was telling you guys on the live stream. But hey. Gold will definitely buy, but it's hard to cut a lot of people out. So that's why I'm saying we'll trade it later. We'll trade it back later. Same thing with GJ. Once they see, take it from me, every NFP, once you see channels, don't fall for it. Price going here, coming here, and the price is somewhere here. You are thinking that it's going to, retest this trend line. It would be fake. Do the opposite. I've been doing this. I've been backtesting this for 5 NFPs, and this is a sit NFP that I'm experiencing the same thing. But unfortunately, I did do the opposite of that here, and I lost. So it is what it is. But US30 feeding as well. HTP1 already, and Nasdaq to retracing also, but we'll definitely hit TP, the full TP. We'll definitely do hit the TP. Other names for Nasdaq is US 100. So far, US30 did us 100 points, Nasdaq did us 100 points, but gold took us out with minus 60 points on a minus 60 pips. Joseph, I know gold has taken us out. Okay, don't come and beat me. Don't come and beat me. All right, so that would be that for today. I'm still holding Nasdaq to the target 14,400. US30 target has been done, but if you are looking to scalp, if you're looking to add more scalps, US30, your main TP should be 34,400. I see a big fall. Like I said yesterday, there's going to be a big fall on all markets. Okay, there's going to be a big fall on all markets. Right, there's going to be a big fall on all markets. So if you see BTC going up, BTC would definitely go down. So that's that for today's streams. Thanks for joining me. Emmanuel from UK, Emmanuel from Ukraine, Ike Bills, Precious, is it Uma, Emmanuel from Nigeria, and George. Also for George, Patrick say. Nice.
Professor.
And Chidi, too, thanks for joining us. So, without any questions, those for the live.
So anytime we see maybe like a channel or something.
Yes, for NFPs, anytime you are trading, yes, anytime you see a channel, right? Price, yes, expect price to do those seats. Even if it gets here, expect price to come here, somewhere like here, something like this. So US 30, trust me, is going to take 400. Nasdaq to going to 14,400. That should be your trade for today. Okay, that should be your trade for today. Any question?
I said I should call you.
No, that's not a question. Is that a question?
Yeah.
All right, so let's focus on gold, US 30 and Nasdaq for now. Let's focus on it. It's not still done, or we can still hang on the live streams if you guys want. But I think it's done. We are done with NFP. And my NFP was good and it went bad. US 30, I've been holding it from yesterday, so it's nothing new to me. So keep holding US 30 to the TP 348, and we already hit the TP, but if you want to also be scalping to this target, 34400. And Nasdaq to your target should be 14400. Whoa. Let me push this down a bit. Whoa. Let's see whether we can catch the 93 points live. So your focus should be Nasdaq. I don't understand. Has the news not been released yet? The news has been released, but there's always opportunities after the news. Why is US 30 selling if news is positive? Why is US 30 selling if, because US 30 legend says so, it should sell? Isn't that a nice answer? What is a channel? Go to babypapes.com. These are questions that I shouldn't be answering.
But Elvis, like, you know, actually what you said in the beginning before the class started was exactly what happened. Like,
yes, was exactly what happened.
Whatever the result NFP is, do the opposite, and that's exactly what happened.
That's what
now I call you bad guy. You be bad guy, Elvis. Like,
because a lot of people, NFP is positive, so a lot of people are looking for buying opportunities on what US 30, you know, which is you know, like yo, bro, like bro. Papi is saying sell, you buying, bruh. Like, why are you buying, bruh? Papi is saying sell, why are you buying, bruh?
Papi,
you know,
always do the opposite, Papi.
But
trying to say.
But Papi wicked. You know what teaching songs. You know what teach songs. I
Papi wicked, dude. I don't know.
Yo, Papi will be back to teaching, yeah? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, so guys, that is it for Papi. Papi is out. God bless everyone for joining the live streams. I don't know whether I'll post a signal, but I think this is my target and I'm done. Like US 30, 34800, Nasdaq 14400. That's my target. So
Elvis, I have a question. Like,
all right.
Yeah, like as we all know that this NFP is always like two ways. So first drop, then go up. It's like that or not?
It depends, right? There's three sequences of trading NFP, right? We have the pump and dump fade, okay? We also have the trading institutional candles, and we also have the trading in news, right? Today, what I did was I traded the institutional candles without the news. So I didn't really check. You can see I didn't really check whether the news is positive or negative. You see, it's still pending here. I didn't check any news. I didn't trade with any news today.
At all.
Right, you could see now the news is now in. I knew that the news was positive. So US 30 should be buying. But why is US 30 selling? You know, sometimes if you follow the news, sometimes if you follow the news, it's not always news. Sometimes you also have to apply some bits of.
I was talking about the gold. I was not talking about US 30.
For the gold, I can't explain. It's very simple. For the gold, yes, it's very simple. This is what happened. it was playing in a channel, like what I said. If a trade is playing in a channel, right?
Yeah.
Know that the obvious is obviously not obvious, right? Exactly. So the opposite happened. It's just like a lot of people were expecting US 30 to what sell, so to buy, but it's selling.
Sorry, bye.
Exactly. So the obvious is just not obvious. Very, very simple. So
Can I actually call this liquidity sweep, man?
yes, something like that. You can.
Okay.
All right.
Alright.
So New York session 2 in 40 minutes. We will see what we will do on the New York session. All right. So see you guys, and God bless everyone. Love you. Bye.
Thank you.
Hey, when I said love you, someone is saying hey.